Yes, I bought it again. I'll leave a picture here, baby. Like, my skin is popping. Like, it's pop. Coucou mes amours, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's your favorite Congolese girl, Life of Kezaya. Subscribe, join the family if you're new here, of course, and if you're a family member, yeah, you know, I love you guys so much. Before we start this video, hey guys, I don't understand. You come, you subscribe, but you don't even comment when I post a video. Why don't you comment? Like, why? Did I offend you? Huh? And why don't you leave a like? Why? So you just watch it like that? Come on. Yeah, today I actually went out for content and everything. I think I'm just gonna leave some clip. I did not really vlog. I did not vlog at all. Yeah, I was just not in the mood, and I wasn't feeling so well though, my tummy and all that. So yeah, like I said, I did not vlog much. This is the place called Ensemble Ambient Coffee. The place is really nice. So here are my outfits, first, second and third. Follow me on my IG to see them all, okay? Oh yeah, I'm back. So yeah, the place was so nice. I will leave the name of the place here, and yeah, you guys can go there. For the people here in Xi'an that would love to go and take their content pictures there, or maybe just go hang there. The place is quite big enough. Yeah, so many places to take pictures, like, and I'm not really a coffee person. I'm not like they just opened though, like it's a new place. I'll maybe leave some pictures here you guys can see, but no, not all the picture. You must follow me on my Instagram to see all the pictures, baby. See, I know I'm a fine girl, so voilà pourquoi j'aime voyez. Back to the video, okay? So yeah, I've already opened it. Yeah, I wanted to see like everything, but anyway, I'll show you guys one by one. And I cannot remember like how much, but it was actually affordable. Like, baby, affordable. Like all this, I'm gonna check the price later. You all know your girl doesn't have a camera yet, okay? I'm using my phone to video this. So I'm gonna check the price later, and for those of you that are here in China, you can actually purchase them on Taobao, because I got everything on Taobao, okay? So yeah, gosh, this product, I've been using them for like how many months now. I struggle to find all these products, because you need to know your skin too. You need to know, hey, this baby, I'm coming. All right, let's start with the first product. This, yes, I bought it again. God, I actually bought it for my mom. Like, she wants one, so I decided to get one for her, like a whole box. Okay, this is one. I actually bought two. Hey, hopefully things are not over there. J'espère seulement que les gens n'ont pas fini, que c'est encore disponible. Okay, second one. And yeah, you have the third. This one, let me put it here. Max Supreme Hydratant. So c'est the difference. I'm gonna read like in French. Ce masque hydratant de luxe, riche et épais, nourrit sans cesse la peau en profondeur et la rend aussi claire, tendre et fine que de la crème caillée, désaltérée avec un parfait rituel d'hydratation. La peau retrouve l'éclat et la douceur de la jeunesse l'épanouit sur chaque pouce de l'épiderme. Conseil d'utilisation: après le démaquillage, et le nettoyage appliqué, ce masque uniformément sur le visage en évitant le contour des yeux. Laisser agir pendant 10 minutes, puis l'essuyer avec des cotons de maquillage ou rincer. Utilisable quotidiennement. So guys, I'm gonna leave everything that I said here in English for you, okay? See, you see, these are important products. Like they are not even Chinese products. Come on, come on. I think I'm gonna get this one again. Yeah. On to the next product. Don't worry, I'm gonna leave the price here. Like each product I'm showing you, I'm gonna leave the price. Then everything, like since I bought everything from the same shop, like because the quality was for everything, the quality was like I think 10 kwai, if I recall. Yeah. Second, you have this. I don't know if you can see. This is it. This is how it comes. But this one I've never used it. Yeah, I decided to get it and try. I didn't even open everything because I wanted to show you guys, share with you. Whoa. And this is a makeup remover actually. This one too I've never used, but I'm gonna try it and let you guys know like if it's better than the one I'm using right now. Okay, all skin type is actually okay for all skin type. So this one you can go and get yours. Okay, anyways, when you get it, you read all the direction, the everything. Natural skincare that works. Okay, this luxury range is enriched with essential oil and plant extract rich in vitamins and minerals. Our formulas are free from toxic ingredients that may harm your body, well-being, or the environment. Okay, so go and get. Okay, yeah, these creams when you are done showering and everything, like you know, before even applying your makeup, won't go at night when you are done cleaning your face and everything, like you just apply it. Just keep the skin fresh. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, this feels so nice. Perfect diary. Okay, I don't know why this one did not come in a box and instruction and all that, but I don't know. I got 2 of these. This woman would definitely want one, but I think I should get more. You never know. This is just a cleansing. Yeah, I already have one that I'm still using, so this is the new one that I got. I just like the fact that it's in English and in French. Alcohol free. And next we have this. After toning, apply a moderate amount evenly to the entire face and gently spray until thoroughly absorbed. This, you get it. So I just told you guys how to use it. You use it after you apply your toner. This or a different one that you use. So after applying this, you apply this. Acne Pre. It's an anti-trouble pain, like advanced skincare program. But yeah, this is actually Korean, and I actually just got it. I want to try it and see like how it works, so I'm gonna let you guys know about this one. Okay, there were so many products, but I was like, okay, from the budget I had back then, because I'm waiting for like I was waiting for money, but this money is not coming yet. Like, nope. I know this thing online, you see something cheap, like affordable, today you feel like, oh, once I get the money I'll buy and everything. Then you waiting for the money, things are getting sold out, so you come back and I did not get them. You get? So yeah, and this mask I showed you earlier, anytime you buy, they actually give you an extra on top. Why your eager attention that quiet? Okay, they usually just write these things here. My Chinese is not that good anymore. Sorry. This was the receipt of everything that I got, but they don't put the price here either. So I'm just check. Okay, I'll just check. So yeah, that's it. What I think that's it. Yeah. Oh guys, I told you about this, right? I told you use it after applying a toner. So yeah, I actually got this one way before buying this. So this is actually a mousse toner you can also buy. And yeah, like I'll leave a picture here, baby. Like my skin is popping, like it's popping. So yeah, this is the mousse you apply, like after you're done washing your face and everything. You apply this mousse toner, then after you apply this one. Then the mask is like something you do maybe in the morning before starting your day, or maybe at night before sleeping, like anytime. Quotidiennement. So yeah, so guys, if you're still here at this point of the video, tu es toujours là avec moi, merci. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and give this video a thumbs up, and share to your friend. Share when I send you the link on WhatsApp, or like I don't even know. So must I send you the link so you did not activate your notification? Once something drop, poof, you are here already. Comment, support your girl now. Abba, hey, like this, it's like that. All right, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, mes amours. Je vous aime trop, trop fort. Thanks for watching. Okay, hit the bell and share. Bye.
Arrivé, les petits se sont demandé ce qui se passe.